Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99, how you doing? The Eagle has landed back in Guatemala City. Long drive, but I am starting to enjoy more the sights and sounds of Guatemala. Hey, I want to give a shout out to the Dabba Network, the Dabba Network. They just sold out season 2. 10,000 Wi-Fi/router units for $199 to buy a router. This is a legitimate passive income platform. Anything I do is legitimate. Take a look at the referral link below. I would really appreciate your help and support. I think I get $5 if you use my referral code, and I just plow that back into the poor that we serve here in Guatemala. Anyhow, that's the video, Dabba and the Dabba Network. I am telling everyone who wants to listen about the Dabba Network in Guatemala City. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family, and you know I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.